Printr is taking over the meme coin ecosystem, and now it's the best moment to actually launch a token there and print some money. And for that reason, I'm going to show you how to use a Printr Bundler Bot, so you can actually launch your own token and buy it with several wallets within the same block before any other snipers. So then you can control supply, buy before anyone else, and basically do whatever you want with your token with a proper bundling strategy that you will need if you actually want to succeed launching your meme coin. So let's go directly on how to use it. So for launching our token in Printr, we are going to use Printr Bundler from Smithii Tools. We got a whole printer zone where we have several printer tools. And actually the one that we are interested in is in this Printr Bundler, where we can put the information for the token, select several wallets, select how much we want to buy, and then buy our token in the launch. So first of all, we need to fill the token information. In this case, it will be just a test to show you how it works. So we start filling the different inputs, in this case, name, ticker, description, whatever. You can add the image, in this case, let me add, for example, this of Jesus. Then we can also add the social links of our token. It will be Printr, actually, I will use these links, for example. We add the Telegram, we have the Twitter, etc. And then we get into the interesting part, buy or launch. So first we need to select how much we want to buy of the wallet that we have connected. The wallet that we have connected will be paying for the tool fee, which is 0.1, and then also spending the amount we put in here. In this case, I'm going to buy 6 SOL, for example, and we can see here the expected supply we are going to receive, in this case 21% so far. Then we can add more wallets. You need to put the private key here and select the buy amount. Let me do that real quick. We paste here the private key. This is the wallet, this is the balance. I will buy 1 SOL here. We can keep adding more wallets as much as you want. Take on account that in the first transaction you can only have 4 buys. Okay, if you are more than 4 wallets, in this case the connected wallet, the dev wallet plus 3, they will be in the next block. Okay, so that at risk of other snipers actually buying before you. But with the first 3 wallets plus the connected one, you are guaranteed buying the first before any other sniper. So I will do this setup as we have here. We click on Printr, launch as a snipe, and then we will see the transaction on our wallet. We just need to sign it, and we will see our token in Printr. Here we go. We confirm, and it will show us succeed anytime we want. One important thing, if you wanna sell real quick, you can set up the Printr Bundle Sell tool. So you actually put here the contract address, you put here the private keys of the wallets that you will be bundling with, and then you just need to click sell, and it will bundle sell everything in the same block in just seconds. In here we wait a bit, it's executing the bundler. Let's see, we confirm the transactions, and we got success, view your token on Printr. Here we go, we open it, and here we have the token with the launch plus the buy all in the same fucking block. As I mentioned, then if you wanna just sell it, you just will copy here contract address, you will just paste here the private key. Let me do this with this one. We paste it here, we click on bundle sell, and it will sell everything as soon as we confirm the transaction. Here we have done. As you can see, that's how simple it's to actually launch a token on Printr with a bundle, control the supply, and make cool shit with it. That's all for today. If you want more videos on Printr, check the channel because I got a bunch of tutorials on how to do different things, launching coins, meme coins, trading them, etc. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.